Hi everyone, my name is Reem. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I would like to talk about how to make more sales of stickers on Redbubble.com and what the importance of stickers is. Sticker is the best selling item on Redbubble because of its reasonable price, and you can purchase it for decorating any tools, any stuff like walls, fridges, tags, phone cases, and bottles, and so on. And I will make this video more practical by showing one of my latest sales of stickers on Redbubble.com. And if you want to know more tips and tricks in making money online in many fields like print on demand, affiliate marketing, and others, just like this video and subscribe now to my channel. And now let's go together to my Redbubble sales message. And here on my Redbubble sales message, it was yesterday. As you see, the customer was in the United States and he purchased 25 stickers of a swimmer coat, just keep swimming. And for sure, it is the first time ever for me that one customer has purchased that big number of stickers in one sale. And first of all, you have to activate the sticker item for every single design you upload on Redbubble.com. And for sure, it is better to you to activate all products as much as possible in order not to lose any sales. And if your design has something with light colors like fonts, graphics, and so on, please adjust this design for this particular item with darker colors, okay? And for your knowledge, there are two types of stickers on Redbubble.com. The first one, like that, is the single sticker, and it is a normal design you upload on Redbubble. And the second type is the stickers pack, which is the big sticker that consists of a set of different quotes or clip arts or graphics and so on, okay? And there are three ways to make stickers on Redbubble.com. The first way is by making them yourself in professional softwares or Canva. And the second way is by using clip arts and graphics, which are with commercial license. Either you can purchase them from platforms like Creative Fabrica, Creative Market, Vixels, and FreePick, and so on. Or you can grab them for free from free websites like rawpixel.com or freesfg.org or publicdomainvectors.org, okay? And the third way is by using free photo with commercial license, and here you can extract the main element to make stickers from it. And I have discussed before in a video how you can get free reality stock photos from more than 20 different websites for free with commercial license. And here you will find this video up here in the I section, okay? And I will leave its link below in the description box, okay? And now how to get sticker sales from search results. And to do that, you have to take care of the details of your design. So let's begin with the title of your design. And here in the title of your design, you have to select the main keyword, which is with less competition or less search results. And regarding our today's design, just keep swimming. Here in the title of your design, the main keyword is swimmer coat, which is less competitive than swimming lover as an example, okay? And for sure, I have discussed before in details about that topic in a previous video, which was about the 4 golden tips to get sales from search results. And this video is very important for everyone who's working on Redbubble.com, especially beginners, okay? And I will leave the link of this video below in the description box, okay? And the second item in our design is tags. And I have discussed before how to get strong and relevant tags for your designs on Redbubble.com by different 8 ways, and I will leave this video below in the description box, and you will find it up here in the I section, okay? And the same too the description of your design, where you can write some sentences that are describing your design and including some main keywords of your design and a strong call to action, okay? And up here you will find the video which is about how to make professional descriptions of your design. And here, the most important step to make more sticker sales on Redbubble.com is by promoting them on social media. And of course, in this channel, you will find a lot of videos which are about how to promote your designs and your products professionally on different social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and so on. And here your stickers will be on social media, and you can consider them as an entrance to the other products of your design. And here, the more click-through rates, the higher Redbubble algorithm push your designs in the search results. And here we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.